Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello everybody, welcome back to another little video. I just decided to do this video last minute. And for this video, the items that you're going to need is like if you already did my recipe for the soaps. If not, I'm going to put a link above so that you can check it out. We're going to need double-sided tape. We're going to do a label. I also made a video on how to make your own labels. So we need labels. And I also did a video on how to make these sheets of paper with recycled materials. So, and you're going to need some scissors. So let's get started. So in this video, I was just playing with the with this paper. It's like, how am I going to use it? And I was wrapping up my soaps with the plastic wrap so that they stay fresh. And then I'm like, So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut my my sheet long ways. This is about 1 inch. I mean, you don't have to measure it. Just kind of put it against your soap to decide how big you want it. So you're going to cut both sides, so about 1 inch. And to complete it, you're going to need to cut this side. So I like the way this ends. So that's the rough area, the area that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to cut it the same length right there. There we are. And then it's very basic. All I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my soap just like that. And I'm going to put double-sided tape. You can also use a little bit of hot glue. But because I just decided to do this video last minute, I'm like, oh, let me make this video. So there I am. But you can use this or a little drop of hot glue. So see, there you have a spot right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab another piece of double-sided tape. And I do this because I sell my soaps. And even when I gift them like as a thank you gift for the house cleaning business, I make them, you know, nice, just like this. So you're just going to cover it and see how pretty it looks. So now the only thing that we need to do, we need to cut it. We have this piece left, so I want to cut a piece so that I can see a little bit of the finish on the label. So I'm just going to go around it a little bit, giving it a frame. Especially if you sell the products that you make, this is a great inexpensive way to decorate them. Especially if you take them to farmers markets. I don't know, for some reason they like all this organic stuff, you know, stuff that is being recycled. So here's my label. So I'm going to paste my label into the paper just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put some double-sided tape. I'm going to put 2 so it doesn't come off. Just like that. Let me cut this little piece here. And you're going to, oh, they small. I think we're going to have to use that, but you get the idea. I think I'm going to have to pull out my glue gun. So you just go right there. So there's your soap. Okay, I sell these soaps between $6.99 and $7.99. So there you have it. This is a little over 4 ounces and it's 1 inch. So there it is, ready to be sold. I hope you're having an awesome day, you guys. Happy Friday. May the Lord bless you and stay safe.